If your room has crown molding, it should be removed before installing a custom ceiling. Around the perimeter, we're attaching a 1x4 a few inches from the wall. That space will be covered when we reinstall the crown molding later. You want to determine the size of the cells or squares in the grid for your custom ceiling. We're centering ours on the ceiling fan in the center of the room. From that point, the surrounding squares or rectangles should be symmetrical if not identical. We mark the edges of the 1x4s using a chalk line stretched across the room. Then we install the boards going in one direction using construction adhesive and finishing nails. Construction adhesive is important because you can never be sure the nails will hit a joist. Then we fill in the space going in the opposite direction, being sure that the pieces are cut tightly so each joint is snug. Finally, we reinstall the crown molding to complete the look.